Hello everyone. Previously, we had seen the loops, right? Nothing but for loop, while loop, as well as the do while loop. We had seen with the example. Now, we'll continue with the arrays. Basically, what are arrays? Arrays in Java stores the fixed size sequences of elements of the same type, enabling efficient data storage, retrieval, and manipulation through the index-based access, right? Let's see this one with a simple example. So what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me come here and let me create new Java class and give the name array example. Click on and hit the enter, right? What we have done, we have defined a public class named array example. Let's define the main method as well, right? Let me give public static void main. Inside this one, let me give string args, right? We have defined the main method. Next, what I'll do, I'll declare and initialize an array of integers named myArray with the values 1 to 5. It is very simple. Let me give int. I'll just give the variable name myArray and let me give the values within the array, right? So here I'll just give 1, 2, 4 and 5. So what we have done, we have declared and initialized an array of integers named myArray with the values 1 to 5 basically. So next, what I want to do is, let's print the each element in the array using for loop. Let me comment over here and give print each element in the array using the for loop. Just come here. Let me give for int I equals 0, I less than this one. The variable name, I'll just copy this one. Let me paste it over here. So what happened here? Sorry. myArray, the length of the myArray, right? Let me give length as well. So what I have done, I have looped through the array starting at the index 0, nothing but this one, and continuing while I is less than the length of the array, nothing but this one, right? So next, what I'll do, let's print the element at index followed by the index and the value at that index. So I'll just give out. Let me give element at index. Just give plus I here. Let's concatenate. Here, what I have done here, and just give myArray of I, right? There is no need of this one. Yeah. Did I miss something? Just give me a second. Let me do one thing here. Let me give colon here. Right? This looks good now. Let's run the code and see. Let's wait for some time. So yeah, now you can see element at index 0, we are getting 1. Element at index 1, 2, 2, 3. Element at index 3, 4. And finally 4. This is 5. Everything is working correctly. Next, let's go with the classes and objects. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.